Greetings, viewers! Today, we're embarking on a step-by-step journey to create an account for the captivating Deep Dream Generator, unlocking the door to mesmerizing AI-generated art. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just curious about the creative capabilities of AI, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive into the process of setting up your account. Begin by navigating to the Deep Dream Generator website. Open your preferred web browser and enter deepdreamgenerator.com into the address bar. Press enter and you'll find yourself on the landing page. Here we are on the Deep Dream Generator website. Follow these simple steps to initiate the account creation process. Look for the Sign Up or Create Account button on the website's homepage. This is usually prominently displayed, making it easy for users to spot. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the account creation process. You'll be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required information, including your email address, a secure password, and any other details the form may request. Take a moment to fill in your information accurately. This ensures a smooth account creation process. Before finalizing your account creation, it's common to encounter a section where you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Be sure to read through them, then check the box or click the button indicating your agreement. Review the terms and conditions carefully, then proceed by indicating your agreement. Some platforms, including Deep Dream Generator, may require you to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message and follow the instructions provided. Keep an eye on your email for the verification message. Follow the instructions to confirm your account. With your account now created and verified, return to the Deep Dream Generator website. Click on Login and enter your credentials to access your newly minted account. Log in using the email and password you provided during the registration process. And there you have it. You've successfully created your account for Deep Dream Generator. Now you're ready to explore the world of AI-generated art and transform your images into captivating visual masterpieces. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on this series of how-to with AI. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting lessons, and share this video with your fellow learners. Until next time, happy learning!